Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and this is BB Girl. I'm going to be showing you guys another Walmart haul. I'm trying everything on, sharing the prices, the sizes, everything, girl. Having a puppy is like having a baby that won't leave you alone. Now I'm gonna be distracted. Like in all my videos, I do leave a list of everything that you see in order of appearance down in the description box below, but you can shop these products here on YouTube. There should be like a little scrolly down here or on the side somewhere. The pop-ups should happen as I'm talking about each product, so hopefully that's helpful for you guys. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you have yet to join my family, and let's get started. Okay, first up is going to be what I'm wearing already, and this is a little jumpsuit that comes in a bunch of different colors. I shared this on an Instagram reel recently, and it's I want to say like $16. This is a Free People dupe, y'all, okay? Because I saw something similar to this, almost exactly the same, for like $60 to $80, depending on the retailer you get it from. It's the same damn thing. It's got adjustable straps, order true to size if you want it to fit like it fits me. Really, really stretchy. It is not see-through at all, so you don't have to worry about that. I got it in a few other colors because that's how comfortable it is. I got coffee, green, and gray. I feel like there is a pretty big difference between the sizes, so just keep that in mind. I'll include a little video reference as well with me trying on the coffee in both medium and large. So if you're a mom that's nursing and need to bust it out really quick, you can. And if you're worried about like, oh my gosh, it's such a struggle to take off a one piece when you go to the restroom, no, it's not. It's not, y'all, it's not. This is also a cute bathing suit cover up too, something that can come off and on really quickly if you're going to and from the pool or maybe on vacation. Girl, this is everything. I don't care what anybody says. This is super comfortable and I'm obsessed. This skirt right here is something that I definitely wanted to try out as far as a trend goes, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. It is a tennis skirt, so underneath here you have like built-in shorts. I got it in a size medium and I feel like it fits me pretty well. The way that I seen it styled that I really liked was like an oversized jumper or sweatshirt. Trying not to erase my eyebrows at the same time. This is $24 and I got it in a size medium. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with it, but I think it's cute. Here is the next top. This is from Sofia Vergara and I believe this was $22 and I got it in a size medium. I actually love the color. The cut is really nice too because it's got this stretchy material back here. It kind of pulls it in to give me a little bit of a waist and leaves these ends like loose so you can see. Can you see that? Like if there is such thing as neon red, that's exactly what this is. Okay, I'm trying mid-rise. Okay, this is what these are. Mid-rise jeans. They're boot cut, they have a little bit of distressing, and they're super, super stretchy. Now I'm typically an all the way up to the sky type of girl, high-waisted jeans. These are a size 10 and they're right under $20. This is a ribbed halter top with some really cute little bead accents right here at the neck. So you tie this around your neck, but there's not really much support here, so you're gonna have to have a really good strapless bra. Since I have such a big bust, I stay away from tube tops altogether or anything that's strapless because I need that support. This top was $20 and I got it in a size medium. Love the quality and I'm glad I took a chance on this top because I love it. I even love this like brown and white combo. Like, okay. These jeans right here that I'm wearing, these are from Sofia Vergara as well and I got them in a size 10. These are $24.50. They're a little bit on the sheer side. I would definitely go with undergarments that are the same color, if not close to your skin tone. They are boot cut, so they are pretty flattering on your body as far as like needing to like almost like fake shape, where you can see like it looks like it's curvy here and then it gets tighter at the knees and then it kind of flares out just a little bit and goes straight down, and I love the cut on these. You can definitely tuck it in too. So maybe it'll look more like a bodysuit if I tucked it in. It looks even better tucked in. Okay, there we go. I mean, minus the lumps from my straps that I'm hiding back here, this is what the back looks like. Of course I wasn't recording. Okay, so this top right here is in a size medium. It's a one strap situation, and it also has like a little tie these loose ties that go to the side here. You can tie it in a knot or tie it in a bow, whatever you prefer. Just do a quick little bow here. I do have my bra strap tucked in, so that's why it's a little bit chunky and bulky right here. But if you wear the proper supported bra, you're gonna be good. This top is only $6. I'm wearing a size medium for reference, and these jeans are about 20, so $19.98. They're in a size 10, and you guys, I didn't think I was gonna like them as much as I do. These are actually probably my favorites so far in this entire haul. I love the way that they're cut. They're not as sheer, I guess, or see-through as the cargo, the white cargos, and I love them. Because of this button-up situation, it does flatten the tummy a little bit. Can you see that? I'm like, whoa, wait, this is also flat, but that's my fault. Okay, Walmart? Okay, I take it back. I think these cargos are my favorite. They are from the juniors department. This one got dirty. Probably from my mascara or something. So don't look at that part. But I think they're super, super cute. They are oversized because typically in the juniors department, I have to go at least one size up, and these fit me perfectly. Even the length is great. The only thing on these is that the wash is kind of like harsh right here in the thighs. So like if you're okay with this, then cool. I mean, who's gonna be judging you for the wash? But you can see it from a distance, right? The black ones, or the dark wash, it's not as intense, so let me show you those as well. Clear strap espadrilles. I'm just gonna throw these on really quickly to show you how it would look with high heels on. Girl, these are freaking cute. I think I'm gonna keep these on for the rest of the day, actually. Are you joking me? Walmart! Okay, I kind of like the contrast of this cream vest with these jeans because it really makes it pop. This is the dark wash. As you can see, it's not as harsh of a wash as this one. Can you see how like it's almost like a step? Like they went and then they stopped. And this one, they kind of blended it a little bit better. This vest is from Walmart as well. I showed it in a previous haul or two, and I also included like the matching pants, but this time I paired them with these baggy, loose-fitting cargos, and I love it. I love it. This is the last clothing piece that I wanted to show you guys. This is actually from Walmart, but I bought this last month, but if I can find it, I'll make sure to put that in the description box below. They're Skorts, y'all. Do you guys remember Skorts? Yeah. They're making a comeback. People are reacting to the Skorts as if this is the first time they've been around. Girl, they were around since I was little. I love this extra little special detail here at the hip. I did get this in a size 10, and I was kind of worried that it was going to be too tight, but they fit me perfectly, if not just a little bit on the loose side, just a little bit. And they were under $10. I'm just saying. First up are gonna be these espadrilles, and I love the fact that the wedges are coming back because they give you so much more support. So if you've been hesitant about trying the wedges, please do yourself a favor and try them, because I'm telling you, they're so much easier to walk in than regular heels because of the thick support you've got going on here. This screams summer, so I can't wait to pair this with jeans and like a flirty top, or even long dresses, short dresses, mini skirts, girl, everything. Just the shoes, I'm just kidding. These are true to size. These were $29.99, and if you were wondering or curious about the plastic here, it's not hard or stiff, and it won't cut you because it's super soft. If you really like the style but you're not a fan of the plastic or the clear, they do have like satin material, they have leather in black, I want to say like a mustard, maybe even green and brown. So make sure you guys check out that link in the description box down below. It is going to be marked clear strapped espadrilles, but if you click on that link, you'll see the other options there because it's the same style, just different colors and material. These are some faux suede leather clogs, and they look identical, y'all. If not, honestly, I feel like they look better. These are dupes for Birkenstocks. So they kind of like flare out, almost like a clown foot, the Birkenstocks do. I have them, they're collecting dust in my closet right now because I just didn't like the way that they ballooned out right there. So these are a little bit on the narrow side, and they are only a fraction of the cost. These were $29.99. These were also true to size because I'm a true 7.5. There's a little bit of padding in these slides, so it's gonna be comfortable on the top of your foot. It doesn't start too high up on the top of the foot where it's gonna be uncomfortable to kind of break them in. Girl, these are so soft, so padded, and really, really comfortable. There's also additional padding in the soles. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's some padding here in the soles as well. So I'm like, yes, clouds for my feet. Or you want a pair of shoes for a vacation, these are it. And at the moment, this particular style is $12.88. And these look like real leather, y'all. And last but not least, we have a pair of platform sandals. You guys know I love my platform sandals. They look like this. They're from the Walmart brand, No Boundaries, and I believe they might have came in like 1 or 2 other shades. I think it was black and maybe silver, but this like cognac color, brown color is something that I don't have enough of in my closet, so I thought, why not add this? These are super comfortable. I've already worn them out already and I love them. Again, the soles are padded, yes! And these are super easy to walk in. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me all the way till the end. And of course, everything will be listed down in the description box below if you have yet to check that out. And also don't forget to follow me on LTK because I do post there often and it's exclusive content that you won't see here on Shorts, on Instagram, or on TikTok. So just saying. Until next time, take care and I hope to see you soon. Bye!